What's up guys, this is Anurag back with another unboxing video. This time around I managed to get hands-on on the all new OnePlus 6. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. This device will available in 3 color variants: Silk White, Midnight Black and the Mirror Black, and it will sold in India via Amazon.in. This is the 64GB 6GB Mirror Black variant. This is available for 35,000 Indian rupees. And there is one more variant available, 128GB plus 8GB. That will cost you 40,000 rupees. Packaging is pretty standard, OnePlus style, white and red color box. Let's cut through the packaging and we'll see what inside in the box. Opening up the box, we'll first get the device itself. Let me remove it quickly. This is the first time I'm holding this device. Feels really nice to hold in the hand and also feels very premium. Now we'll keep this device aside for time being and we'll look other box contents. Next we have the SIM ejector tool, some manuals, I'm not going to read that. Then we have some OnePlus stickers and the back cover. The cover is needed because the Mirror Black variant is fingerprint magnet as well as slippery. So cover is must for this phone. So good to see now companies bundling the case inside the box, as new mobile covers are not easily available in the market and also they have not that great quality. Moving on, we have the Type-C cable and the OnePlus dash charger. The output of this charger is 5V at 4 amperes. Typically this will charge your device 50% in half an hour and 100% in 1.5 hours or less than that. Now that is what you will get inside the box. Now we'll take a closer look at the device. First let me take off this plastic and then we'll take a physical overview. On the top we have the secondary microphone for noise cancellation. Moving on to the right side we have the OnePlus alert slider and the power button. At the bottom we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, primary microphone, USB Type-C port and the speaker grill. On the left side we have the SIM tray and the volume rockers. Let me pop out this SIM tray to see what it can accept. As you can see, it can accept only 2 nano SIMs, no hybrid slot for the microSD lovers. And it can also support dual 4G and VoLTE. On the back we have the dual camera setup. The primary camera is 16 megapixel shooter, Sony IMX519 sensor with the pixel size of 1.22 micron pixel with f1.7 lens. Secondary camera is 20 megapixel Sony IMX376K with the pixel size of 1 micron pixel with f1.7 lens. We have the dual tone LED flash followed by fingerprint sensor and the OnePlus logo. On the front we have the earpiece and all other sensor and the front camera. The camera is 16 megapixel shooter Sony IMX371 with the pixel size of 1 micron pixel and f2.0 lens. And that all fits into the notch. Yes, it has that notch, copied from Apple. I mean, why all companies every time join the Apple race? Anyways, let's not go over there. It is never ending controversial topic. But I think you will get used to this notch. I will set up the device. By the time it boots up, I will give the specification of this phone. This device is powered by a Snapdragon 845 SoC with the Adreno 630 GPU, 6 or 8GB RAM, 64 or 128GB storage, 6.3-inch AMOLED display with the resolution of 2280 by 1080p, 3300 mAh battery and the dual camera. Now the device is started. This is running on the Oxygen OS based on the Android version 8.1 Oreo. And this is like stock Android with the little bit customization. Let me connect to my network to check if there is software update available or not. As you can see, after connecting to the Wi-Fi, there is one software update available. For May security patch, hide or show the notch and other improvements. I will update the device and come back to you. Now the device has been updated successfully. And as you can see, now we can hide or show the notch and there is other camera improvements. So always update your device to the latest build. Talking about the customization, it offers some customization options like navigation button customization, off-screen gestures and the display customization. Now let me open the camera and take a picture with this. And the good thing about this phone, it can record 4K video at 60 frames per second, slow motion video at 480 frames per second at 720p and 250 frames per second at 1080p, and it also has that pro mode. The rear camera has the portrait mode, but for front facing camera there is no portrait mode available. OnePlus promises that they will enable this feature with the software update. Also, I will be uploading in-depth camera review, so stay tuned for that. Now let's quickly check the face unlock and the fingerprint scanner performance. Let me first set the screen lock to enable the fingerprint and the face unlock. Now I am adding my fingerprint. And as you can see, the fingerprint scanner is very fast and accurate as expected. Now we'll see the face unlock feature. For that, let me add my face data. Now I have added my face data, and as you can see, as I hold my phone in front of my face, it instantly gets unlocked. I will highly suggest, for better performance and accuracy, take your face data in clear background. Now let me check how the back cover fits to this device. And as you can see, this fits really nice to the device, and the quality is also seems good. And that is it for the unboxing video. I will be also making the full review after using this device, so stay tuned for that. Let me know if you have any doubts or suggestions for this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content like this. And also follow me on Instagram for the new channel updates. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Anurag, and I will see you later guys.